Hey, good day everyone. Check out this MT920 model propane torch I have here. Let's check this thing out. Comes in a nice box like this. You can store it in here too when you're done, as long as you make sure this thing's cooled down all the way. Here's an up-close look at it. Here's the barrel of it right there, and you can see it's got the lighting mechanism, the sparking mechanism in there. So here's the on and off. It even has a lock and unlock. So you can't pull the trigger when it's locked. Unlock, pull the trigger back all the way. Here's a look at the sparker too. Right there is to light it. Check it out. We'll go ahead and thread the propane bottle on there. All right, now for starting it up, just go ahead and crack it a little bit. You can hear that. All right, this is great for starting your outdoor fires too. Got a little outdoor pellet stove here. Got my pellets ready to go in there, and I got just the perfect tool for getting this started. There we go, got her started. Work like a charm. You can also use it for texturing wood too. All right, really happy with this thing. Thank you for watching, everybody.